So Professor Liu is going to show you how to do the calculus bonus projects. First, so for this project, we have two sets of if else. So first of if else, we need to check if the item code is a letter, is XYZ ABC. We want to see if the code is XYX. Other code, we don't do that. Inside your X, we have another set of if else. So if your sale is greater than $10,000, we're going to plus 150 to your bonus. So you have to calculate. Everybody get bonus first. The bonus is 0.08. Then if your code is X, we have different tier too. If you if your sale is more than $10,000, we plus 150. Otherwise, we plus 125. So we really have two sets of if else. Okay, here we can see we have two sets: if else, and if and if. We do have two sets. All right, two sets. So for this one, I ask you to download this file. I ask you to download the file, unzip it. And for this picture file, I ask you to save the image as and as a bonus. All right, then we are ready to do this work right now. So you are ready. So now Professor Liu is going to show you. When you open this program, you have this. So everybody come here to change your name right here. Is that right? And that's your name as your ID number. That's not mine. So fix that. Now we're going to see this program. So we enter your sales code, XYABC. Enter your sales amount, and we are going to do the button calculator. All right. So everybody, you are ready for here. Now you change your name, right? You change your name right here. The first thing is, let's go to this button calculator. All right. Let's go to your button calculator. Then, as I told you here, the button calculator, the text is called button calculator. We really don't need this text, so let's delete the text. Okay. Now we really want to do is here. We come here. We want to go to image here. Image. Did you see a 3 dot here? Did you see a 3 dot here? Yes or no? 3 dot right here. Then you click on that 3 dot. All right. Then you are going to import. So I have a bonus. I already imported. All right. So otherwise you need to import and get this picture. Import, get this picture, and hit OK. So I have my bonus right now. So I want to see whether you did it. All right. Now let's check this right now. So we're going to make sure you know the name. So this one is called TXT code. And this one is called TXT sales. And this one is called LBL bonus. It's okay, everybody? So let me repeat this one and ask you right now. What's a text box called? Anybody who can help me? What's a text box called? What's this text box called? Text code. Very good. What's this text box code? Good job. How about this? Last one. This is label. This is a label. LBL bonus. All right. So let's click on the button right here. click on the button right here. All right. So, gentlemen and ladies, first, I already gave you these. We must have the 3-line option explicit on, option strict on, option infer of, and I already have these 3 lines, right? 3 variable I declare right here. Okay, so I am going to do this. The first line, I am going to hold on, let me put like this way. All right, so that way we can see. All right, so gentlemen, ladies, first thing is I need to take this the content from the text code into the string code, because this is string. Whatever you take is a string, and I'm going to take to a string. So I don't need to do by parse, try parse. I don't need to do try parse. I just say this string and code. All right, and that'll be equal to text code dot txt. All right, now I don't need to do double try parse and integer try because I'm just do string to string, so I don't need to do this one. All right, but when I enter the sales amount, so right here, let me here explain to you. Right here, if I put b, lowercase b, let me put lowercase a. Okay, that's one thing I want to put. And the here sales amount, let me put 500. Okay, all right, so I put the a here. The a or b, that's a string, so I can directly put into string code. Understand? So that's okay, I can directly put in the string code. But for the 500 here, that's a string, and I have to go into the double cells. That's why I have to say double the try parse, and I'm going to try parse from my cells here. It's called txt cells dot txt, and I'm going to try parse to my variable. My variable name is dbl cells. All right, so I hope you understand why the first line I don't have try parse, because string to string. The second line I need a try parse because it's string to double. All right, now I'm going to calculate my bonus. All right, so I create a variable here which is not on the form. I'm going to say dbl bonus equal to dbl cells times 0.08. That's 8%. All right, now I need to continue right now. So I need to have the first statement here if my string code is a x. All right, so I'm going to say if, all right, I have to put parentheses. Okay, and I'm going to say string code. All right, so equal to and quotation x. Then, all right, so right here I want to teach you another thing. So if then we're going to say the end if here. So if x, then because we If that's not X, we don't do anything. So we have 3 sets only right now. But there's a problem here. If you put the lowercase, it doesn't work. So we are going to do this. We're going to get smarter. We're going to say da to upper. All right. So that means if you put lowercase, you put uppercase, doesn't matter. I'm going to change to uppercase to compare. Now we're going to do this. If, then we're going to say this. DBL cells, all right, and greater than or equal to $10,000. $10,000. Then, all right. So then here I'm going to say this. Your DBL bonus. All right. So I'm going to put this equal DBL bonus plus 150. All right, plus 150. But I am going to show you a better way, because this way you need to go to your memory, okay, RAM to retrieve DBL bonus 2 times. So in become a better programmer, we're going to use a shortcut. Okay. So if your DBL sells greater than equal $10,000, your DBL bonus is going to plus equal 50. Then we go in here, else your DBL bonus is going to try it right now, plus equal 125. 125. All right. So we end if right now. We end if. So after this if, and if structure, then we say this. LBL bonus. All right, and .text. We have to convert it, right? Convert it to string. And we're going to use DBL bonus. All right, so now we complete. All right, so we complete. Let's take a look right now. Let's take a look this code, and we're going to use a number to check. The number we're going to check. Hold on, let me do this. The number we are going to check is we are going to use 15,000. We're going to use 15,000 and to check, and that's X, and we're going to get 1,350. We still use X, and we use 9,000 to check, and we get A45. Then you use A to check, and you put 13,000, and your answer is 1,040. Okay, we're going to check right now. So let's build it. And I'm just going to start without debugging. So that's my program here. I want to use X. Notice I put lowercase x, but it will change to uppercase. So I'm going to use my first example, 15,000. Is that okay? All right, so I click calculate bonus, 1,350. The second one, let me try X, and let me try 9,000. All right, and I calculate bonus, 845. The third one, I am going to try 13,000. Oh, sorry, I made it work. A, and I'm going to put 13,000. All right, and my answer is 1,040. And if that's correct, you can exit and make sure you get your exe file. And because I think when I do this program, I just copy from the other program. It was called Midterm Review 3. What you need to do is you need to rename it to calculates-bonus.exe. All right, calculate. Now, I hope, so this is your user file, this is your user interface, and this is your code file, and I hope you like this program. All right.